Hey, welcome back, guys and gals, all you Hot Wheel lovers. Back at 1/64 scale racing again. Went and picked up 7 over the model Cobras. 6 of them from 1982, 1 from 2019. Picked them up from a guy named Eddie over there at Simple Customs. He's got a YouTube channel called Simple Customs. They call him the Godfather. You can check him out at Simple Customs. But anyway, I thought I'd show them to you. Let everybody see what I got. Got a nice, pretty bright red one here with yellow stripes. Nice wheels. This is one from 82. Got another one from 82. This one right here looks all original. Don't look like it's been redone. Got a nice bronze with gold stripes. It's from 82 also. Looks like it might have had some work done to it. Then we got a nice bright yellow. Looks like it's got a fence, chain link fence pattern going across it. It's from 82 also. I believe it's had a little work. Got a white one, 82 also. This had a little work. A little bit of paint to it. Then we got a blue Hot Wheels. This is from the 2019. It looks original. And then last we got another Hot Wheels from 82. It looks all original. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the little Cobra preview. Check my videos out at 1/64 scale racing. Please subscribe. Check out Eddie at Simple Customs. We'll see you later.